G'day everyone, Nick here from STEDI's product development team with an installation video for the Prado 250 Inner Grille Brackets. Pretty easy to install this one, should take you about 2 or 3 hours. We'll show you how to do the top and bottom brackets. Only basic hand tools required, no cutting or drilling needed. Let's get into it. All right, start by opening up the bonnet. And we've got to remove this top cover panel. There's just these button clips you've got to push in. And then just lift gently so you don't shoot the clips away. Then take the panel off. This one's already got the brackets in here, but we'll show you the full install. Take off these bolts, need a 10mm. We're going to take out these 3 bolts here on both sides. So we're going to take out these 3 here on the back of this panel, just get a flat screwdriver, and pop them out. This should come off. Do the same on the other side. That one comes off like that. So we'll take this front of the flare off next. We don't have to take the whole flare off. We'll just got to pull it apart so we can take the bumper out. There's some clips and some bolts you got to take out with a 10mm. Take out that screw. And then with a trim tool or a screwdriver, take out these clips. Just to about halfway back. And then you can unclip it to about halfway. We're going to do that on the other side. All right, now you've got those flares off. There's just a couple of screws and clips all the way underneath and to the sides. So we're going to take them out. Start with the screw at the top. There's another one underneath. I'm going to take out this bolt. This bolt. This clip. Another bolt. And this cover will come off. And then underneath the cover is another bolt here. Another one. And then one more at this end. Now we'll just check. So pull your bumper forward from each side. There is a couple of clips you may have to just push down to get it to release, but they should just pull out. So before we take everything off, just put a couple of soft boxes or something underneath that will sit the bumper on. Just pull that forward and let it sit down onto the box. That way you don't have to disconnect all the cables and the washer hoses and stuff. This one's already got some lights installed. We'll take them out and then we'll go on. Now those ones are off. This is what yours will look like. So we'll keep going. So these are the 2 kits. You've got your upper kit and your lower kit. You've got the option of running the upper or lower or both. This is the upper kit. It's got just 4 quad evos. In the box it's got the 2 mounting brackets and horn relocation bolts. In the lower kit you've got your mounting bracket, there's the brace which runs up the front there. And then the bottom of the box, you've got a series of brackets you can use for your different light options, whether it's quad evos, 2 quad evos, or an evo light bar, or a couple of 3303s. You can choose what you want to run. And then just the fasteners for all of that. If you're fitting both kits, fit your top brackets first. You'll just have a lot better access to your bolts. So start by removing your horns with a 12mm. So we need to take out this bolt down in here. You need a 14mm. Take out this one with a 10mm. And last one for the top bracket is that one in there. Grab one of your brackets out. This one's the driver's side bracket. So make sure you put your bracket behind the plastic and then put your factory bolts back in. Don't tighten any of them up until you've got them all in and started. Then do the same on the other side. Make sure your bracket's behind the plastic. And then using the bolts in the kit, relocate your horns. Just try your horns after you've installed them, just to check they've earthed correctly. Now the top brackets are in, we'll move on to the lower brackets. So we have to take out these 2 big bolts on the outsides. You'll need a 14mm socket, and it's easier with a long extension. And same on the other side. Then grab your bracket, and those same bolts just go straight back in. We'll get them both started. Do those ones up nice and tight. In your bolt kit for the lower bracket, there's all the bolts for the light brackets, and there's 2 other packets for the brace. The ones with no nuts is to go down the bottom, and the ones with nylock nuts go up the top. So slide that brace down from the top, and then start your bolts down the bottom there, and then get your 2 top ones in and tighten all them up. So depending on what lights you're going to run down the bottom, you have to pick which brackets you're going to use. These ones to suit the quad evos with the 2 holes, one's for adjusting and one's for holding the light. Or if you're using a light bar, you'll be using the ones with the single holes. And if you're using the quad evo ones, the slot will go to the bottom. I just put them all in loose to get started and get everything in the right spot. For this grill and running 2 quad evos, this bracket will be in the outside slot, and the inner bracket will be in the 3rd slot along. It's a good idea to put anti-seize or grease or any type of lubricant on stainless bolts when you're doing them up, stop them seizing. So we're fitting the quad evos down the bottom of this one. You won't be using the factory mounting bracket, you get rid of that, but you do use the fasteners that come with the light. And with these brackets slightly loose so you can still move them around, check your width. We're just getting the brackets in the right place at this point, so we'll just put the top bolts in and do the other light. Once you've got your light sitting in there, you can lift your grille back up and just to check, see how they're fitting side to side. Take your bumper back off. Once you're happy with your light position, tighten all your bolts back up, put all the rest of the bolts in your lights. You can do the same process for your top lights. It's a good idea to park your car at the start of this in front of a hard surface, garage wall, something like that, that you can use to adjust your light position while the car's apart. So once you're happy with all that, start putting your car back together. If you're putting the bumper back on before you've wired it, make sure you pull all the tails of your lights up through before you put the bumper on. It'll make it a lot easier to access that later on. That's how to install the inner grille bracket on the 250 series LandCruiser. To see our full range of products, visit our website at stedi.com.au. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Make sure to follow us on socials to stay up to date with all things STEDI.